Unbox tayo ng tent box. Own. Yan. Part of the tent box. Yan. Haba siya. Ito yung magiging kusina namin.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Oh. Nice. Ngayon pa mabubuksan. So we're gonna open this when we set up the tent. Yung ready na kaming mag-set up sa isang napakagandang place. Ayan. Ayan siya sa kahaba. Guys, ang tatak. A bit glance lang. Let's open it. We did not open this last year. Oh, so meron siyang, what is this? 1. Meron din siyang, I think this is the tools. Okay. So ito yung kanyang mga tools. Ayan. And this one, ano ba yan? Stand? Pole? Ganun siya. Oh. And this one also. Ayan. Tingnan natin yung spread. We will spread this during the setting up of the tent. Dun sa big place. This one. So there's also instruction using the code. Nice. Tunnel owning. Yan siya. So let's see the result later. Yan, it's very handy. Siyang bag. Small bag. Bye!